Welcome to the Factory Help channel. Ammonia Refrigeration Compressor Pack. Factory Help spare parts. Supplier offers the ideal solution for plant designers and operators for every application. Thanks to its operation with 2 or 3 compressors, the ACP is the ideal starting point for particularly reliable refrigeration with low operational costs across the load range. As compressors, screw compressors from dependable series are used for demanding operating conditions in industrial refrigeration, air conditioning, and heat pump applications. The double slider technology integrated into the compressor enables the internal volume ratio to be automatically adjusted to smoothly control capacity between 25% and 100%, ensuring a significant reduction in annual operating costs. Whether under full or part load conditions, the compressors are always adjusted to the operation mode that requires the lowest power consumption. For optimal performance, frequency inverter operation is also possible. At minimal partial load, ACP controls prevent frequent switching cycles to keep both power and maintenance costs as low as possible. Through the availability of 2 or 3 compressors, maintenance work can be carried out during operation without shutting down the entire system, minimizing downtime costs. The 3-stage oil separator ensures minimal oil carryover, so that less oil needs to be replenished in the refrigerant circuit. 2 levels of oil filtration ensure compressor longevity. Each ACP has main oil filters with a bypass valve and line to ensure uninterrupted operation during filter changes. As a second level, individual compressor filters are included. A plate and shell heat exchanger optimized for ACP acts as an oil cooler, allowing use with various cooling media. IQ modules ensure optimized operation of all compressors, the oil separator, and optional economizer, and also offer a multi-step protection concept, simplified communication, intelligent data logging functions, and comprehensive analysis options. The data, measured by sensors, is processed within the ACP system, and integration with external control systems is also possible. The clear user interface is easily accessible via touchscreen and is intuitive thanks to clear symbols. In the background, the ACP system ensures reliability within defined application limits. The compressors operate within the optimal capacity range depending on the required cooling load. Critical sensors are duplicated to increase system reliability. Distributing the total capacity across multiple compressors significantly reduces starting current, even without frequency inverter or soft starter options. Overall, lifecycle costs are significantly reduced compared to single compressor systems. Factory Help spare parts. Supplier provides ammonia compressor packs available with 2 or 3 compressors, including booster versions and optional economizer configurations, ensuring low energy consumption and outstanding operational reliability. Factory Help spare parts. Supplier ammonia compressor packs for industrial applications. Confidence comes from knowledge. Learn with us. Become an expert in industrial solutions.